Namaskar, I'm Shweta, a certified yoga practitioner from Euphoria Yoga. I hope everyone is safe and healthy at home. इस समय हम सब के अंदर कोविड को लेकर एक डर है खुद के लिए, अपनी फैमिली के लिए, इसलिए हम अपने हेल्थ को लेकर काफ़ी सतर्क हो गए हैं। हो सकता है आप लोगों में से समवन इज़ ऑलरेडी सफरिंग और जस्ट रिकवर्ड फ्रॉम दिस कोविड. As yoga practitioner, today I would like to share some of simple tips for COVID patients to fast recover. COVID is affecting us in our body from three parts: our respiratory system, digestive system, and nervous system. Let us talk today on respiratory system. We will do simple exercises to strengthen them and also show how we can help our internal organs to function better. We can also reduce the chances of any further damage. Our first simple exercise to clear our nasal passage, that is Kapalbhati. ये हमारी lungs problem को cure करेगी. Our all carbon dioxide and toxins will exhale from our lungs. It energizes the nervous system and regenerates brain cells. It calms and uplifts the mind, stimulates abdominal organs, and also improves our digestive functions. This is very helpful in COVID recovery. We should do it for 20 times only, else we get feel tired. Please watch me for right way of doing Kapalbhati. Sit in a comfortable position. Your both hands on your knees. Take a deep breathing in. As you exhale, pull your stomach. Pull your navel in back towards the spine. Then take a deep breathing in and exhale fully from your nose. We'll repeat for 2 to 3 times. जिन्हें हाइपरटेंशन है या हाई बीपी की प्रॉब्लम है उन्हें अब कपालभाति थोड़ा अवॉइड करना चाहिए. Now I'm sharing one more very quick and easy exercise. In case your nose is choked due to cold and cough, let us do inhale from nose and exhale from your mouth. You can do this breathing exercise 4 to 5 times in a day. I'm showing you. Inhale. Fill your lungs with oxygen. Now exhale from your mouth. The next pranayam is Ujjayi pranayam to clear our throat. It's a variation of Ujjayi pranayam. Now fold your tongue and touch the upper palate of your mouth. Then close your mouth and inhale with a sound of snore. Exhale from your nose. Repeat this for 8 to 10 times. The friction of the air passing through the lungs and throat generates internal body heat. This heat makes stretching safer while the inner organs can be cleansed of any toxins that have accumulated. जिन्हें ड्राई कफ हो रहा है वो भी इसका अभ्यास कर सकते हैं. Because after this breathing exercise, your cough will come into your mouth. Then you can go and immediately and split it. Our next simple exercises will expand our lungs. For this exercise, bring your palm in front of your chest. Now start inhaling. Inhale. Open your hands. Inhale करते जाइए. Stretch. Now hold for some time. Exhale slowly. Once again, inhale. exhale. Continue this rhythm and repeat this exercise for 8 to 10 times. इस क्रिया को हम पर्वतासन वेरिएशन के साथ भी कर सकते हैं. Lift your hands up and join them with inhalation. Inhale. Join your hands. Stretch your body up. Hold your breathing. Now exhale. Slowly go down. At the end of this exercise, you can close your eyes and Om chanting for 3 to 5 times. उम्मीद है ये अभ्यास आप लोग करते रहेंगे, क्योंकि सतु दीर्घकाल नैरंतर्य सत्कार सेवितो दृढ़ भूमि. वह अभ्यास लंबे समय तक बिना किसी रुकावट के जब श्रद्धा और भक्ति पूर्वक किया जाता है, तभी यह दृढ़ अवस्था वाला होता है. हमें आजीवन योग का अभ्यास एवं आचरण करते रहना चाहिए. धन्यवाद.